Most people believe they understand how people behave, but when you start paying attention, certain patterns appear. Patterns that repeat in friendships, in workplaces, in relationships. And once you notice them, you start seeing them everywhere. Some of these truths are uncomfortable, but they explain a lot about how people actually behave. Here are 7 brutal truths about human nature. 1. Most people care about themselves far more than they care about you. It sounds harsh, but it's simply how the human brain works. Everyone is the main character in their own life. People are thinking about their problems, their plans, their worries, their future, not yours. The mistake many people make is believing that others are paying close attention to everything they do. In reality, most people are too busy thinking about themselves. 2. People judge faster than they admit. We like to believe we are fair and objective, but the brain makes quick decisions, sometimes within seconds. How you look, how you speak, your posture, your confidence. All of these signals shape the way people see you almost immediately. And once that first impression forms, it becomes surprisingly difficult to change. 3. People respect strength more than kindness. Kindness is important, but kindness without boundaries is often misunderstood. Human beings constantly evaluate status: who leads, who follows, who can be pushed, and who cannot. When someone appears unsure or overly accommodating, others often test those boundaries. Confidence and calm assertiveness usually create more respect than endless politeness. 4. Most people follow the crowd. Humans are social creatures. For most of human history, survival depended on belonging to a group. Being accepted meant safety. Being rejected meant danger. Because of this, our brains developed a strong instinct to copy what others are doing. If many people believe something, the brain assumes it must be correct, even when it isn't. This is why trends spread quickly, and why independent thinking is rarer than we like to believe. 5. People remember how you made them feel more than what you said. Details fade, words are forgotten, but emotions stay. Someone might forget the exact conversation you had, but they will remember how they felt during it. Respected, ignored, embarrassed, appreciated. Emotional experiences leave a deeper imprint on memory than simple information. 6. Confidence changes how people treat you. Confidence sends a powerful signal. It suggests certainty, direction, control. Even when 2 people say the exact same thing, the confident person is usually taken more seriously. Confidence shapes perception, and perception shapes behavior. 7. Emotion drives more decisions than logic. People like to believe they make decisions rationally, but many decisions begin with emotion, a feeling, a reaction, an instinct. Only afterwards does the brain create logical explanations to justify the choice. Emotion starts the process. Logic finishes the story. Human nature isn't always comfortable to examine, but understanding these patterns makes people easier to understand. And once you start recognizing them, the world becomes a little more predictable. Now you know.